All right, that's called a vortex over there where people are standing. We still got a little ways to go. We on this here trail that somebody said it took 10 minutes. Not. All right, but we be trying. And we still got a little ways to go if we're gonna reach the mountain top. And if you're not a hiker and somebody tell you it's only a 10-minute trail, add another 20 minutes to that. All right, easily. Okie dokie. All right, it was a mighty climb, but we made it to the top. So you tell me if it was worth it or not.
Really, that's not a picture. Give me it now. Now. Okay, I'm coming, buddy. I'm right here.
Well, that is what I saw out here in Sedonia. There's supposed to be a vortex, as they call it, here somewhere on the top. I don't really feel any difference, but hey, it's a beautiful sight. After sitting here for a few minutes, I could almost imagine how an eagle would feel because I could not feel the ground, yet I felt the sun on one part and the wind going across another part. Okay, that's our climb back up that trail and over that hill. And here we go.